Everspace 2 has captured the hearts of space shooters enthusiasts with its mix of engaging combat, exploration, and RPG elements. With the release of the Titans DLC, the game expands its universe further. This expansion elevates the experience to new heights. Let's dive into the details. Titans DLC introduces a wealth of new content, including new ships and customizations, expanded universe, challenging boss fights, and enhanced RPG elements. The core gameplay remains as addictive as ever. The ship controls are tight, and the combat as frenetic, ensuring that players are always engaged. The new enemies and bosses add a layer of excitement and unpredictability, making each encounter feel fresh. The exploration of new regions encourages players to fully utilize the game's traversal mechanics, and enhancing the sense of adventure. When talking about the visual and audio design, Everspace 2 has always been visually striking, and the Titans DLC always enhances that with new environments that are both breathtaking and immersive. Sound design complements the visuals beautifully, with each ship and weapon offering satisfying audio feedback. The developers have also shown a commitment to community engagement, frequently incorporating player feedbacks into updates. The addition of mods board also allows for creative enhancements, further extending the game's longevity. So Space 2 Titan DLC undoubtedly sets a high bar for space shooter expansions. With its combination of new content, enhanced mechanics, and a continued dedication to quality, it's an excellent addition to the game. Whether you are a returning player or new to the series, Titans offers a compelling reason to dive back into the universe. While it may be too early to label it as the best space shooter expansion, it certainly stands among the top contenders. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one.